Welcome to America's Test Kitchen at home.
At home.
At home.
At home.
At home.
At home, an Olympian-worthy pasticcio. It's a lot easier than exercising.
Ta-da!
That is a taco. So what I have here is some cornstarch. It's just in a pie plate. You can use any sort of plate. We're gonna hit both sides of the salmon, and then you wanna brush off any extra with a pastry brush. You wanna make sure you get it all over your shirt. That's how everyone can know that you've been the one in the kitchen.
Now, I like to store our parsley in a little jug of water because it reminds me, A, that my husband never sends me flowers, and this will have to do, but also it's just gonna keep the herbs nice and lively.
This is my absolute favorite knife. I got this in France, and it's a carbon steel knife. You'll have so much more fun in the kitchen if you have knives that fit you, so just a little tip.
Today, I want to talk about my tank. It's a very good tank. Filled with 20 pounds of CO2, and I use it to carbonate everything I can get my hands on. And I want to show you why you should do the same thing.
I grew up having Maggi seasoning. It's kind of what you get if Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce got together and had a baby, and that baby was supercharged with umami.
Just gonna put this in our food processor and buzz it for 5 to 7 pulses until it's coarsely chopped. I'm gonna plug it in too, that's always good.
I guess this is my day for tiny little tools. My little tiny measuring cup and my little tiny whisk that I absolutely love.
This smells so amazing. Fresh corn, red peppers, onion, garlic, and cayenne. And butter beans, my favorite.
And finally, our favorite Hawthorne strainer by Cocktail Kingdom. This helps you hold back ice or ingredients like fresh mint or lemon after you mix drinks. With each of these tools, you're ready to drain anything. Here's mud in your eye.
Mom, if you're watching TV, I want you to turn off the set right now. Okay, good. My mother's not here, so I can tell you, I hated tuna fish when I was a kid, and I had it all the time.
Fresh green salad, how do I love thee? All that ingredient prep, do I love thee? With the right salad gear, which we have here, it could well be. Okay, so I'm not a poet.
Oh, this pineapple has beautiful grill marks on both sides, but it's still holding together. We haven't overcooked it. It's gonna add a really lovely, slightly grilled flavor to the salsa.
So to go with my very special waffles, I have a very special guest for brunch today. My mom, Dr. Price.
Hi.
Hi. I made waffles.
I'm excited. You know I love waffles.
I got some toppings here, Mom. I got peaches. I have maple syrup.
I want everything heavy on the goodness.
All right.
It's cheese time. It's always a good time when it's cheese time. You know that you're nearing the end of the pizza making extravaganza when the cheese hits the board.
The tatka is just about done, and the color is beautiful. Oh, this is like magic happening in the kitchen right now. Delicious.
So it's time to flip. Now, if I were brave, I would do it in one fell swoop, but I'm not. I'm gonna do it the safe way.
Seo in banseo means sizzling, and that means we need a really hot skillet. Got a full half cup, and in we go. So you can see it's already got lots of little bubbles in the top, like when you make pancakes, they're popping through. That's gonna give us some of that nice lacy texture.
Okay, so our second batch of cookies has come out of the oven and they've cooled and they're ready to eat. And I brought in a special person, my mom. You wanna help yourself?
These are delicious.
From America's Test Kitchen at home, a great recipe for chili verde con cerdo.
It's really good.